Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make an Aircall account as well as how to change your plan into a monthly payment mode. So let's start this tutorial. If you learned something from this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click that bell off. Hey guys, let's start this tutorial. So you can use the Aircall account to call people in other countries like Australia, US, China, or whichever countries you may think of. You can also use this in your virtual assistant job. Actually, your employer or your boss will ask you to create an account on Aircall for you to be able to call your clients or your traders even though you are in the Philippines or anywhere in this world. So first, let's go to our web browser. Then key in Aircall. Then click on Aircall.io or open it on a new web browser. It will automatically send you on their official website. And sign up by clicking the Try for Free button. In this page, you will fill out all of the necessary information that you will be used to sign up in an Aircall account. You will key in your first name, then key in your last name, the name of your company, after that you will key in the phone number where your company is located. After filled out all the information, you will click next. So in this page, you will also fill out all the necessary informations like how many users you need, if you have integrations, and then you will also key in your working email. But keep in mind that they are not allowing Yahoo or Gmail accounts when signing up with an Aircall account. Now let's key in our working email. I'm so sorry guys if I need to blur some of the information because these are my company's private information that needs to be hidden. Let's put our password. So we don't need integrations, so I will choose none. And click the start your free trial. After clicking that, you will be sent off to login web page of Aircall. Then we will key in the email that we used when we are creating the account. We will also put our password and click login. So after logging in, this is the account look like. Apologize again guys, as you can see I already registered in an essential plan because I was not able to record that part, but you can always change your plan by logging it in and click change. As you can see, there are 3 plans of Aircall account. There are essential plan, professional plan, and custom plan. So we choose essential plan because it is the cheapest one, and its features is what we need right now. Its features has unlimited inbound calls, smart queuing, help desk, integrations and NPI, and phone support. You can view the pictures of a professional plan and custom plan by clicking the show pictures under each plan. You can change your plan from essential plan to professional plan by clicking the blue button, and essential plan to custom plan by clicking the yellow button. The only difference between these three plans is that in custom plan, you need to call Aircall support in order to subscribe in this plan. If you like to know your number in your Aircall account, you can just click the numbers button, and this is where you can see your number. You can give this to your clients or your traders in order for them to call you as well. So this is the end of our tutorial. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell for you to be notified when I have new upload videos. See you on the next vlog, guys. Bye!